Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create a drop-down list in Appsheet. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Appsheet, and then you just have to log in to your Appsheet account. Then after that, you'd be able to see here now your apps and databases. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to create a new app. So it's up to you if you would like to edit an existing app. Okay, so here just have to click on the create option at the top left of your screen, and then go to the apps and start with an existing data, or start with a template, or with a blank app. So for this one, I'm going to start with a blank app, and then I just have to give your app a name. So I'm going to name this one as sample and click on create app. So make sure to delete some of the unused app and databases. So let me just remove this database right here and this app as well. Okay, now click on the create option at the top left of your screen. Go to the apps and click on blank app and then create app. So here just have to name this app and wait for a couple of seconds, and then your sample app is ready. Okay, so right here at the right side you have the details of your app. Okay, and then at the left side you have these options. Now just go to the data section. Okay, this one, and here you have your table. What we're going to do is to create a new table. So for the app data, we have Appsheet database, Google Sheets, Google Forms, or Google Drive documents. So for this one, I'm going to select Appsheet database, and you just have to select your database. So I think I'm going to use this one, and then click on add one table. And if you want to add more table, just create another table. And then the next thing that you are going to do is to go to the column section. Okay, and then you just have to select the table. Okay, so the table that we have added, so this one, and then you just have to edit the different sections. So for this one, I'm going to select the title. So just have to click on the pencil icon or the assignee. Okay, so I'm going to select the title, click on the pencil, and then for the type, we are going to change this to reference. So click on the section and then find the reference. So this one, that's right. And for the type details, which is the source table, we are going to use table 1. So it's up to you what table you are going to use. Okay, after that you just have to click on the done option. That's right. And then after that you just have to click on save. And as you can see right here at the right side, we already have the drop down list. So when you click on this one, you'd be able to see here the details or what's inside this drop down list. Okay, so of course, if you have your table ready, just have to choose your table. Okay, so let's try it to a different view, which is the desktop view. So when you click on this drop down list, you'll be able to see here the full details of your table. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.